What is that?
It is very flat and very strong. There.
That's interesting.
And very flat.
Is that wood?
No, bamboo.
Oh, look how it's holding. Vietnamese people start their day with dancing.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love.
Yeah, absolutely.
We like doing it.
Let me love you.
So the trip is gonna be over pretty soon.
Good morning. My favorite pumpkin soup is here, and also the Thai soup is here.
This is my dessert.
Looks good.
My favorite fruit.
It looks so good.
Passion fruit is one of the best, guys. The best.
So we are trying to cross the street. It's very interesting. We made it! People working early in the morning. It's only 9 o'clock. It's full with people. People already exploring. Hanoi never sleeps.
I make a little souvenir, and I'm gonna talk about my job here. So we'll come.
Oh wow!
A lot of work,
Yes.
a lot of patience.
Yes, and he does all this with a little bamboo.
This is bamboo,
Yeah.
and
this is my favorite beer.
oh yeah, I bring a lot of I bring a lot of beer for the boss. And,
Use the bus.
yeah. So then because if I don't get a beer, then I don't have a box for practice.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
The Note Coffee. Everything inside is with post notes. I think it's 4 floors.
Question: how many post notes you got here?
Maybe million.
Million? Wow, really? Wow, that's a lot. It's very famous on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
We have 5 floors.
5 floors?
Yes.
Okay, which floor is the best to sit?
Maybe soft floor.
5th floor is the
Yeah.
best. Is it always full?
No.
Okay. And so what would you recommend us to get?
You can try coconut coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. Or egg coffee.
Okay. Do you have a coconut hot chocolate?
Sorry, you don't have
No hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Yes. What cake is the best?
cake.
Yes.
For me, I like tiramisu.
Tiramisu?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So let's go and get some of her recommendations. So many post notes. And she just told us that there are more than million post notes here. So when you come here, you can get coffee or iced tea and also a lot of pastry. It looks amazing. Very well. Okay, so let's go. 5th floor. That's what we will recommend, to go on the 5th floor. Very tiny place. Oh wow, everything is post notes everywhere. Post notes. Look at how cute it is.
I've always admired those who just do it and they conquered their fears. They fall back down and they keep getting up and they try to steer clear. I'm afraid, I'll admit.
So she's taking us to the best place here.
I'm not great, neither rich, but will you stay here by my side? All the good times
So many
turn into
messages.
memories and the revelry goes on.
Yeah, we'll sit here.
Thank you.
So beautiful.
Unique. It's really unique. Come up with that idea.
My boss, my manager.
He's a Vietnamese guy?
Yeah, a Vietnamese.
Oh, that's great. Great.
This coffee shop is about 12 years.
Oh, wow.
Long time.
Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have our notes.
Oh, you're good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Best days can be Looking back, I was once so brave, never hesitated. I aimed so high and I reached it all. Why do I keep fading? I'm afraid, I'll admit. What if I'm stuck in my mind? I'm not great, neither rich, but will you stay here by my side? All the good times turn into memories and the revelry goes on. Let's have a good time, night of the century. Our best days can't be done.
Bye-bye. Okay, we have a challenge now. We have to cross the road.
It's mission impossible. Let's do it.
Let's go ahead and do it.